In this session of SAP GRC Risk Management 10.1, we are going to see how to configure the various drop-down line item, system, business process and component which are used for segregation of the KRI. These drop-downs we have seen while creation of KRI template. Double click into the GRC server entry, feed in your user ID and password. Once you are in the GRC box, you need to key in the transaction SPRO. Execute SPRO. You will be in the customizing execute project. Click onto SAP reference image. This is the hive that you will see within your system. It might vary system to system based on the plugins that are installed. Expand the hive governance, risk and compliance. Within governance, risk and compliance, you need to expand the hive risk management. Further expand the hive key risk indicators. We'll be maintaining the system entry details. Click onto the customizing activity, maintain systems. We already have a system entry called financials. We are going to create a new system entry. Click on to new entries. I am feeding in a system entry by SRM, which is supplier relationship management. Click on to save the entry. It will ask for a TR to be created. I have already created a fresh customizing request entry, so I've chosen the same entry and that will be saved as a fresh TR. In your system you need to create a fresh transport request entry. Click on to continue. So this is being saved as a transport request change. Let's go back to the entry again, the customizing activity, and let's see whether we have two different system entry or not. These are the two entry which are created now. The next activity would be to maintain business process. Click on to maintain business process. Click on to new entries. Here you need to choose the system that we have created just now. That's SRM. The business process I am maintaining as contract, description being central contract management. Click on to save the entry. Click on to save for the customizing request. So we have this entry created already. Click to maintain business process to verify. So we have a new line item for the business process being SRM, contract and central contract management as system, business process and description for the same. The next step would be to maintain components. Click on to maintain components. Click on to new entry. Here I'm going to choose the same system that we have created, SRM. Mention a component. So as per my defined convention, naming convention, I have mentioned as C_CE, that's contract and contract creation. The description being contract creation. Click on to save the entry. Similarly, I want to create a couple of more components for the same system. Let's go ahead and select SRM, components being C_CC contract creation. CE would be contract execution. So let me change the previous line item, and another entry being C_CM, which is contract monitoring. So I have 3 line item now, 2 being appended. Click on to save the changes. Let's go back and check the components again. So do we have the contract creation, execution and monitoring created for the system SRM? Yes. So now we have configured system, business process and component in the backend.